Hi, I'm Vincent, a tailor, content creator, and the co-founder of Tailoring. I've been a tailor for over 15 years and I've trained over 1,000 students to professional level in tailoring all over the world. I have a YouTube channel with about 40,000 subscribers learning from my tutorials with several testimonials to show for it. Don't worry, you're in good hands. When I set out to create Tailoring, I wanted a platform where people of different skill levels can learn. So, whether you are a total newbie seeking to start a career in tailoring or you are a tailor looking to upskill, I am pretty sure we have a course for you. Tailoring works in a subscription model. Any subscription you go for, whether monthly or yearly, you have unlimited access to all of our courses within the period of your subscription. Yep, all of it. Consider Tailoring like Netflix, but for your tailoring career. Happy sewing!